Hello and welcome. My name is Wendy with loveandstampin.com. I am so excited that you're here with me today because I get to share with you something I've been waiting eagerly to announce and share. Now, if you're part of my VIP group or you're part of my team, you already know about this, but if you're not, then I'm super excited to share it with you. Beginning in October 1st to be exact, I'm going to be offering a monthly virtual online card class. Now, this card class is unlike anything I've ever done before, and it really is going to explore so many amazing opportunities. So let me explain to you a little bit about what this is. Each month, you can place a $50 order with me using a specific host code that is tied to the class. Now, please understand that this is for the class only. If you want my other host code offers, that is a separate order. If you do not live in the United States, or if you're a demonstrator and you are curious about taking the class, but you don't want to place an order with me, then you can purchase it for $50 US. And I will have a link for that as well. This class is only available to purchase or to place an order and get the 1st through the 10th of the month. This is really important because if it is the 11th and you want to get the class, you're not going to be able to. So it's just for a super short amount of time, just those 10 days. What does the class include? Because that's, of course, what everybody's going to be asking. You get 6 video tutorials from me making different cards. 3 of those cards will be fun fold cards. 2 of those cards are technique cards. And we have 1 project that is a 3D project. So I'm covering all the bases, hitting all the marks so that you have so much fun with your crafting. But possibly the thing I am most excited about to share with you is the other 2 videos that are exclusive that you're going to get access to. These videos have some crafting sometimes, maybe sometimes not. One of them is called At Home with Wendy. All of you that follow my channel know I love to tell stories and share about my life. One of the things I've struggled with as being a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator is I find that a lot of people expect just for me to share my card making journey. And while I love that journey and it is a part of who I am, it is not all of who I am. And so I love baking and gardening and doing other things and spending time with family. You've seen snippets of my family here and there over the years in my videos, or I've shared stories and different things like that. And that stuff will continue. However, I am creating an exclusive video that is time with me creating or at home doing different things that you'll only have access to when you purchase with me and then get the class. The other video is the one I am most excited about. This is the Good Deeds Together video. Every month, I will choose some sort of philanthropic thing to do. Rather it be donating to St. Jude's, or maybe helping the fire victims near where I live, or maybe it's simply spending $100 on $5 Starbucks gift cards and handing them out to people at Starbucks. No matter what I decide to do, it's with your contribution of placing an order with me that it's going to make this possible. I'm going to take a percentage of everything you put into my business. There'll be a percentage I take from that, and then we're gonna do good deeds together. I'm gonna videotape it so you can see the community we're creating and the good we're doing in the world. Because I believe super strongly that even if you can't change the whole world, you can change your little corner of it. And so I really want to be able to do that with you, my customers, and my team members. Now, anybody who's a lovely stamper is going to get access to this completely free. So if you're like, I don't want to pay for this every month, or I don't want to place an order every month, you can always purchase the Stampin' Up! Starter Kit, become a lovely stamper, free access every month. So how do you order? How do you go about doing all of this? Basically, on the 1st through the 10th of the month, you're going to place a Stampin' Up! Order with me. $50 or more, you're going to use the special host code that I send out and I share, and then you're going to receive an email that has a coupon code giving you access to the class. You can go online to loveandstampin.com and you can purchase this class under my shop for $50. Now, you also are going to go through that process when you place your order with me. But the difference is you're going to have a coupon code to get it for free. So if it sounds a little intimidating or scary at first, don't worry about it. We'll walk through it together. It's new for me too. So we're going to do this in a way that everybody has access, and it'll be amazing. So don't sweat it. If you are a little bit confused about how it goes, it's okay. Just place your Stampin' Up! Order. You'll get an email from me that gives you all the details on what to do. I've always sent thank you emails to my customers. The key here is making sure to check your inbox, your spam folder, and your junk folder to just make sure my email didn't go there. Okay, all of that being said, I'm super excited to share this first class with you. We use the Festive Borders die and stamp set, and we use the Joyful Life stamp set. So if you don't have those two stamp sets or that bundle and stamp set already, you can purchase those, and that can be part of your $50 order so that you can then make the cards that I make. It's important to note, there are no kits being shipped with this, okay? The reason I'm changing things and going to this is for all of you. I have had so many people reach out to me that either they, just want the PDFs and videos, or maybe they don't live in the country, or they're a demonstrator, or, the list is endless of different scenarios that I've come across that make it difficult. The other thing is, I have 11 Stampin' Rewards punch sheet. So every time you spend $50 with me, you get a punch on that sheet. One of the things I was never able to do when I was doing kits in the mail to people is honor that, because I would have to charge, $40, $50 for a class, but you couldn't use it as a punch because it wasn't all product, if that makes sense. So now you're going to be able to get my online class plus use your punch card, which is going to double your rewards really. So I hope that you are excited about this, because I really am. And if you have any questions at all, you can drop them in the comments below, or you can always email me or message me. I'm always here to answer your questions. I thank you so much for tuning in for just a little bit to hear about this big, exciting new thing I'm doing. And I know it's going to be incredible. I look forward to seeing your orders, and I cannot wait for you to see this new class format and get this amazing class and the awesome exclusive videos spending time with me, because that's what I love to do, is spend time with you. So thank you so much for hanging out with me for just a little bit. Oh, and don't forget, you get VIP access to my VIP Facebook group when you order with me also. And there will be giveaways and drawings and fun things all month long in there as well. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.